Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can find a missing number from an array of numbers. So what I have is the numbers from 1 to 100, and let's assume this number, which is 21 here, is missing, and I want to find out that what number is missing from 1 to 100 sequence. So what I will do, I will simply first write the counting from 1 to 100. I will use a function called sequence. First argument is row, so I will be entering 100 because I want to write the counting from top to bottom, so it will be in 100 rows. So 100 rows and a single column. Start point is 1 and step is also 1. Enter. So I have got the counting from 1 to 100. Now I have to check which number is missing from this tabular array. So what I will do, I will simply use the countif function. Countif range, I will select this whole range, and then I will select the criteria as number. I will start from 1 and then I will copy the formula down 1 and then enter. So as you can see, since 1 is available here once, so it is giving me a number as 1. Also, as I go down, I will keep on getting the number if the number exists in the array. So let me copy it down to the 100. As you can see, I am getting 1 in front of each and every number. So we remove 21 from this number, so let's go on 21, and you can see here 21 is showing 0. In this way you can check which number is missing in a series of numbers. Let's try once more with some different number. I will put 21 here back again. This will give me 1 back here again. Let me remove the number 3, and you can see I am getting 0 here in front of the number 3. You can use the filter option to find exactly which number is missing. Just select this one, select one with 0, click OK, and you can see there that is the number 3 which is missing. That's it for today's video. I hope this video will be useful for some of you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel to watch more content.